I'm a pretty big believer in the dash cam. I'm not here to take the fall for anyone else's mistakes on the road, but traditional dash cams get pretty expensive, and it doesn't make a ton of sense to spend all that money when you have a perfectly good phone sitting at home. Just get yourself a car mount, angle the phone perfectly, and get recording. Old phones also make great universal remotes. Now, there are third-party apps that turn your whole phone into a universal remote, but the devices you already have probably make their own apps for that too. Things like Roku, Apple TV, even game consoles like PlayStation and Xbox all make apps that turn your phone into the controller. And if you have any smart devices like smart lights and smart speakers, you can control those from your phone as well. My favorite use for an old phone is for running beta software. Now, the traditional advice is to not run beta software on your main devices. You probably don't want to be running the latest iOS beta on your new iPhone, but the old iPhone that's just sitting in your drawer can take on those risks no problem. That way, you can try out all the new features without worrying about breaking your brand new device.